Tikus. Rat. Rats are the main food for cobras. Be it white rats, field rats to rats that have large bodies. Most people certainly know the food of this one snake. Usually rats become food if the cobra enters the house or rice field area. Kelinci. Rabbit. The third food for cobras is rabbits. Usually this will happen if the cobra enters the area of the human environment. Because most rabbits are kept as pets by humans, cobras can eat rabbits with or without giving venom first if they are hungry. Snakes can also directly swallow it by eating the rabbit's mouth first until it completely dies. Kitten. Frog. The second food for cobras is frogs. Did you know, cobras are easier to find the presence of frogs? So most cobras will eat frogs. Frogs can also be found in the area of houses or rice fields owned by residents. Ayam. Chicken. Chickens also eat the next cobra. When snakes eat chickens, it usually often causes a stir in the community. There is if the chicken is eaten by a snake, which is where you find the chicken suddenly disappeared and with signs of feather loss. If you find these two conditions, it means the chicken has been consumed by the snake.